taking a t-shirt, as well as a couple other ones. I'm also going to be taking a tank top, a flannel, a Hollister jacket, a sweater, a pair of leggings, some more pants, and some pajamas. And here I have my underclothes and socks. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot, this bag I will be packing my toiletries. And here I'll be taking my book, my bullet journal, a pencil case with a bunch of pretty pens, mechanical pencil, and an eraser. I'll also be taking my earbuds, my camera with some extra batteries, this pouch with all my charging cables and my Polaroid, my phone and my iPod, you guys know it, can't forget my food. And I'll also be taking an empty water bottle so I can fill it up in the airport.